Whether it's for a wedding, a dance, or a Pee Wee Herman costume, everyone should know how to properly tie a bow tie. First things first, check to see if your bow tie is adjustable. If it is, set it to the size of your neck or the size of the shirt that you're wearing it with. Next, button your shirt all the way up, pop your collar, and lay the bow tie around the neck of your shirt. Now fold the collar back down and ensure that the left side of your bow tie is a couple of inches lower than the right. Cross the longer end over the shorter end. The long end then goes up through the back to form a knot. Take both ends in each of your hands and pull it tight. But don't choke yourself. This isn't 50 Shades of Grey. Put the piece that's in your right hand over your right shoulder. With the piece that's in your left hand, fold it over to create a bow tie shape. Now take the piece over your right shoulder, pull it down over the center of the bow tie shape. Now take each side of the bow tie shape, sandwich them together, and lightly pull forward. This should reveal a small hole behind.
Hello.
Take the centerpiece and start to slowly feed it halfway through the hole. This will create a loop for you to tighten the knot. You should now have a loop in the front on your left and in the back on your right for you to put your fingers through and start to tighten up the knot. Use all four ends to tighten the knot and shape your bow tie. This may take a little bit of time and some practice, which is fine. You don't want it to look perfect. You'd rather have it a little bit askew because it's going to add character and it's going to make it obvious that you're not wearing a clip-on. Once you have a shape that you're happy with, go be the sexiest guy in the room. Like this.
Oh man.
This has been How to Tie a Bow Tie. Thanks for watching. I'm Parker York Smith. Go follow me on Instagram for lots of other style tips. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you next time.